One of the best things I love about conservation is that I get to play with trees. And this tallowood here is growing a little bit big for the tube, so we're going to replant him in a bigger pot so he can grow a little bit bigger. And so the first thing we need to do is grab my Leatherman. Now I'll talk about this tool a little bit later, but this is probably the best thing I own. And what we can do is take the scissors out and cut the bag a little bit bigger. Beautiful. And we'll pack that away. Shut that up. And we'll come back to this. So the best way to get these out, if they're stuck in the pot, you can either cut the pot itself, or you can squeeze the bottom, but be gentle. You don't want to hurt the tree. And then you turn it upside down, give it a gentle tap, and there you go. It should come out looking like that. There you have a brand new home for the tallowood. But we'll give him a bit of a drink later. But I would like to talk to you about Leatherman. As I said, this is my favourite tool. I carry it everywhere with me. Definitely comes in handy when I need to saw a branch. It comes with a wood saw, which is perfect. Couple of array of knives, which is great. Also comes with a set of pliers, and obviously the scissors I used before. I also love the fact that it comes with a drill set and you can pull that straight out. Use it with a flathead, and it's got an easy release for it to all close up. So you just press this button and that closes back in, and the same with the scissors, and you pack that straight in. It's got a safety feature, so if you do take out the knife, it does lock in, and if you're cutting, it's not going to close on your finger. Another cool feature, which is a must on any pocket knife, is the bottle opener for that well-earned beer after you planted all these trees. You just press this little button here and that pops straight back in there and easily folds away, just like that. Again, get yourself one. Very handy, and yeah, I'd be lost without it. Let's go water these trees.